How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Elbow. In the video today, I'm going to be talking about how I think you could have made 10% in stocks very safely. One of the options is completely risk-free. It's an intro offer that the Webull brokerage is offering, so completely risk-free. You didn't have to put your money into anything. You just had to have money in the account. So that's going to be one of the things, as well as 3 home run, not crazy like 100% gap and go type trades, but 3 trades that were really, actually 4 trades that were just complete gimmies. Very easy. If you watch Zip Trader, Charlie's channel, he talks about when you trade, you want to trade like a spoiled brat. So these were super safe, clean, very obvious, I felt, like spoiled brat trades that I was able to get into and make a little bit of money on. But between the 4 trades as well as the intro incentive, you could have done 10% a month. Again, if you're new to these videos, I talk about personal finance and business advice. I do business and personal finance coaching, as well as talk about $10,000 in cash bonuses and incentives and giveaways to start your business, which is one of the things that I talk about in the coaching program. So if you want more information on that specifically, the best way to get a hold of me is on Instagram at @DJoshElbow. Other than that, though, like and subscribe if you like money, because the whole point of this channel is how to put actual dollars in your pocket, not just make entertaining videos. But I'll rattle down the list. So 1, Webull had a custom offer for specific people that whoever they messaged and got this offer. The offer was if you deposit $10,000 into your brokerage account for 30 days, they were going to give you 10 free stocks plus an additional 10 free stocks. So 20 free stocks valued anywhere from, I think it was $9 to $1,400. The 20 stocks, that I got ended up being valued at about $208. So there's your first put. Didn't have to put this $10,000 at risk at all. If I was really smart, I could have gotten an SBA loan, because those are super easy to get right now for the business, and make sure this was all done ethically and legally. And taken the $10K from the SBA loan, put that into the account so that I didn't have to use any of my own cash, because why would we invest with our own money? And all money is debt. So it makes no difference to me. All it does is tie up my liquidity. So that was one of the deals. $208 on 10K, 0 risk. Put the money into the brokerage for 30 days. Now that it's paid out, I can take the money out of the brokerage, but I have to have the 25K in the account anyway to meet the PDT rule, because I want to day trade. So the money was going to be there anyway. I might as well get the easy $208 guaranteed on it. So now I bet 2% in 1 month for no risk. I know if you look at the S&P past 100-day run, it did about 50%. So 2% is not crazy when you compare it to 50. But I also think that the market's in a complete bubble, and I'm waiting for the downside again, because on the TVIX and the S-style play, back in March, I made a lot of money too, and that was even more fun than this money. So the next piece I want to talk about is NUGT and AGQ, which is the gold leveraged fund and the silver leveraged fund. I really had a home run on the silver fund. I'm not going to talk about the exact percent I did, but I got in because it was climbing. I knew that because they're printing money, that means the dollar value is going to be lower, and people think of gold and silver as a hedge occasionally, even though some people say it's not a hedge. But based on the market, I thought those were going to go up, and I wanted to scale in, as well as any gold and silver that I own outside of the funds having appreciated in the past month because of the appreciation in the price of the commodity. I also made money on the NUGT and the AGQ. Now the next 2 are pretty similar. So the Apple 4-for-1 stock split, I believe, and the Tesla 5-for-1 stock split. These were complete gimme trades. The way I did it was I wanted to get in. So Apple, I got in as soon as they announced it. Tesla, I waited for the crossover on the volume weighted average price the next day. I really wish I would have gotten in the night before, on the day that they announced it, because after hours trading, I could have gotten in there. And that would have been really fun. But between the Apple trade and the Tesla trade, anyone who saw it should have done at least a minimum 2 to 3%. Easy, safe. And my understanding of why this works is because, okay, let's say Apple's trading at $400 a share, but now they go down, you get 4 shares for $100 a piece. Now more investors can get into Apple because they don't have to have the full $400. And I'm not going to deal with the whole fractional shares thing. And same thing with Tesla. With Tesla trading at $1,500, $1,600, investors that don't have $1,500 to get in, now they can get in for $300. It allows more small people that just want to invest their money on the side get in at a lower price, which means it's going to appreciate because more people have demand for it, and the stock price is going to go up because it's easier for more people to get in. More people want it. Demand goes up, price goes up. So that's my understanding of it. If anything, I've just explained what I don't know more than what I do know or understand, but those were 2 easy couple percent trades. So between the 5, if you would have done 2% on all of them, which I did more than, except on the guarantee from Webull, that would have been your 10%. That would have been your extremely conservative, extremely low risk 10% for trading and investing this month. So those would be some of the things I'm going to look out for in the future. If they're printing more money, gold and silver are probably going to go up. If a main, like Apple and Tesla are huge, very public companies. Aside from being public on this exchange, they're very like well-known companies. So for example, if Microsoft did a stock split, if Visa or JP Morgan Chase did a stock split, I think those would be easy home runs because investors would be jumping in. So there's my take. Hope you can use something that you learned in this video or you heard me say in this video to put some dollars in your pocket. Even if you don't like any risk and you just sign up for Webull or Robinhood or Coinbase or whatever the other incentive, the 10K in incentives that I share. The point of these videos is so that you get actual dollars out of it, not to hear me talk. And lastly, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any specific questions, again, shoot me a DM, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to answer it for you. I'll see you all in the next video.